Join us for the 2026 TLA Spring Conference, Survive and Thrive, the Spring Refresh, a free one-day gathering designed to support both new and experienced teachers through connection, creativity, and collaboration. On Saturday, March 7th, educators from across disciplines will gather at CSU Fullerton for a day of learning, reflection, and renewal. Begin with an opening session focused on balance, breadth, and educator well-being. Then choose from engaging workshops in ELA, math, and interdisciplinary learning, including writing, joyful math instruction, creative technology, and culturally grounded teaching. Connect with peers, join professional learning communities, and leave with practical ideas you can use right away. Breakfast and lunch are provided. Registration is free, but space is limited. Register by February 7th and give yourself the spring refresh that you deserve. Come reconnect, recharge, and thrive.